As mentioned on the first video on respect, there are 4 steps on how to manifest respect. 1. Self-respect. 2. Empathy. 3. Communication. And 4. Leading by example. In this current video, we shall discuss the second step. Yeah, right. Practice empathy. But first, what is the connection of empathy to respect? The answer is, empathy is the bedrock of respect. What? Let me explain. Empathy forms the foundation of respect in 3 ways. First, empathy allows us to truly see and hear others. Imagine you're in a conversation with a friend who's going through a tough time. If you listen deeply, understand their pain, and respond with genuine concern, they'd feel respected and valued. Right? Because when you empathize with someone, you're saying, I acknowledge your feelings and experiences. Second, empathy helps us appreciate the different experiences and perspectives of others. In an office, for example, office mates come from various backgrounds with unique ideas and approaches, correct? Empathy allows us to understand their viewpoints and appreciate their contributions, thereby fostering a respectful and collaborative environment. Let me emphasize, respect isn't about agreeing with everyone. It's about valuing their right to have their own views and feelings. Empathy bridges gaps in understanding, allowing us to respect differences or understand diversities. Third, empathy builds trust. Think about a time when someone truly empathized with you. How did it make you feel? Chances are, it strengthened your trust and respect for that person, right? This mutual respect, nurtured by empathy, creates a strong, unbreakable bond. Why is this so? Because when people feel understood and respected, they are more likely to open up and share their true selves. Have you ever experienced that? This trust is crucial for any healthy relationship, whether it's between friends, family members, or colleagues. So why is empathy the bedrock of respect? Because it lays the groundwork for understanding, valuing, trusting, and caring for others. Without empathy, respect is hollow and superficial. With empathy, however, respect becomes a living, breathing force that uplifts and unites us. So now, what is empathy? Well, it can be broken down into 3 key components. 1. Listening. 2. Understanding. And 3. Responding. True empathy starts with listening. Not just hearing words, but understanding the emotions behind them. Active listening means giving your full attention, making eye contact, and sometimes nodding to show you're engaged. You may also listen between the lines or to what is not being said. Second component, understanding, which involves putting yourself in someone else's shoes, walking their paths, facing their struggles, and celebrating their victories. You may also come to understand where those feelings are coming from. Last component of empathy is responding. This can be a comforting word, a supportive gesture, or a practical help, or just being there in comfortable silence and companionship. Remember, empathy is not just an emotion. It's a powerful tool for building a more respectful and compassionate world. Let's practice empathy, folks, and manifest respect. That's all for now, folks. Watch out for our next videos on how to manifest respect. See you guys!